Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Crypto mining from CleanSpark negotiated an agreement on Friday to acquire Miwan's Bitcoin mining facility in Shadflace, Georgia for $1 million. The deal is expected to increase CleanSpark hash rate by 1 exchange per second the next few months and by the end of next year. As part of the agreement, last generation mining ASIC will be purchased. Million are purchased. These machines already operating at the exchange site will add over petations per second of computing power immediately upon closing, the company explains. For the facility in Miners, CleanSpark will pay $1 million, including $1 million in CleanSpark and commitments the site in Georgia can support. Latest generation miners, and the company plans to expand to support miners producing over in 2023. CleanSpark has accelerated its consolidation in a bear market with high energy costs. On Thursday, the company announced a purchase agreement with Crypto Solution for 10,000 Bitcoin Ether per units for total price. In July, CleanSpark disclosed the purchase of over 1,000 Bitcoin miners from Walmart at substantially discounted price in June. The mining company also backed at monitoring the bull market. The company focused on building infrastructure before ordering equipment months in advance. The strategy positions is to make purchase of land at a significantly lower price, reducing the time between deploying capital and hashing. According to return on investment says the board of CleanSpark, meaning by stating assets, this is a high incentive for retail investors and people who use monetize the game time, and lower merit than money GameFi player appreciation. In the low transaction costs, GameFi informants usually utilize cryptocurrency, and this makes fund transfer relatively easy to execute and cheap. This is a major bonus when compared to a conventional money transfer modes, which are expensive especially when it's come to making cross-border payments. This aspect was highlighted in the 2021 Blockchain Game Alliance survey report, in which participants named lower transaction costs as a major benefit. Another innovative element that captivates players in the support for user-generated contents. This is a major bonus when compared to a conventional money transfer modes, which are expensive especially when it's come to making cross-border payments. This aspect was highlighted in the 2021 Blockchain Game Alliance survey report, in which participants named lower transaction costs as a major benefit. Another innovative element that captivates players in the support for user-generated contents. This possibility not only allows platform auto-educate users with different tasks but also enhances creativity among players, while providing an autonomous environment in which assets can be created, listed, and traded publicly. Concentrate creativity and gameplay among the top reasons why the like GameFi. Project really wants cryptocurrency to scale transaction, and the hash coin projects quickly to the increased adoption in digital currency in recent years. According to a recent report published by Defi, a platform that tracks activities and dashboard applications, the number of unique active wallets size the blockchain gaming sector rose sharply in the third quarter of 2021, accounting for approximately of 1 million daily registered during the period. The data confirms this possibility not only allows platform auto-educate users with different tasks but also enhances creativity among players, while providing an autonomous environment in which assets can be created, listed, and traded publicly. Concentrate creativity and gameplay among the top reasons why the like GameFi. Project really wants cryptocurrency to scale transaction, and the hash coin projects quickly to the increased adoption in digital currency in recent years. According to a recent report published by Defi, a platform that tracks activities and dashboard applications, the number of unique active wallet size in the blockchain gaming sector rose sharply in the third quarter of 2021, accounting for exponentially of 1 million daily registered during the period. The data confirms the desperate potential of in the increased use of cryptocurrency in the sector, sufficiently promising this year and adoption. Another list survey report released by Complay. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.